If you guys want a really bright replacement fog light for your Ford Ranger and you don't want to replace the entire housing, the all-new GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb is the best and brightest bulb. It is extremely bright in that fog light assembly. What I'm going to show you is what it looks like compared to stock, compared to Ultra 2. I'm going to show you the Ultra 3 in both a yellow and a white version, and of course I'm going to show you how to install it. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness-destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. It's really easy to get the bulb you choose wrong because this is a reflector-based housing, which means that it's got a bunch of mirrors inside of the fog light area, which means that you need to replicate that wire wound filament used from your fog light, your original bulb. You need to replicate it to the best of your ability. Those LED chips need to be as small as that wire wound filament, or you're gonna be bouncing the light in all the wrong places. If your fog lights are too bright and they're shining towards the ground, that can actually hinder you from seeing the output from your low beams and your high beams. It's going to make you less safe. Even though you think it's better because it's brighter, it's not always the case. And if you don't get a bulb that will then project that light where it needs to be, it's a huge issue. You're gonna be blinding yourself by shining it on the ground, but more importantly, that's gonna bounce from the ground and then shine the driver of the other car oncoming. It's the last thing you want. So you gotta get a bulb that's truly been refined like the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb. Now I will fully admit that it's probably a little bit brighter than you actually need, but it's still one of the best bulbs to install. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this Ford Ranger, I'm gonna back it up from the wall. What I'm gonna show you is what it looks like compared to stock, compared to Ultra 2. I'm gonna show you the Ultra 3. Now the Ultra 3, remember, has two different colors. You got a yellow and a white. I'm gonna show you the light output of both so you can make the best decision. Now this is what your stock fog lights look like. Pay attention to that color because obviously this is not what we want. It's this dingy yellow color. It's not very bright, but it's also not very wide. These fog lights are pretty good and you should be able to get more width out of it and you just don't out of that halogen bulb. This is what the Ultra 2 bulb looked like from GTR Lighting. This bulb came out years ago and you're gonna notice it's a much more bright white or even with some blue hues. It's less warm than the Ultra 3. Now you can see the new bulb is actually on the bottom there. It is so much more intense. It is super bright color. It definitely does the trick in this fog light. The Ultra 3 is more warm white, like I said, and that's actually to help you in long distance driving. It's a little bit easier on the eyes in long distance driving. Like I said, there is a yellow version as well, and the GTR Lighting Ultra 2 bulb looks like this. This will really help you guys in inclement weather. It's gonna help you see better when it's super dusty. This is probably the best route when upgrading your fog lights, putting in a yellow bulb. When you stack them, the Ultra 2 is now on top. This is the Ultra 3 right here on the bottom. As you can see, there is a slight change in color. The GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb does a better job in maintaining that color while also providing you much more brightness and width. This is what the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulb looks like in white when you install it in both your fog lights and your headlights. And this is what it looks like when you have yellow fog lights and those GTR Lighting Ultra 3s in your headlights. I'm gonna do the same thing where the Ultra 2 bulbs are in your headlights and in your fog lights, that's what's on top, and the Ultra 3 bulbs are in the headlights and in the fog lights on the bottom. And this is what the change in color looks like when you install all of those with the Ultra 3. The Ultra 3 is by far the best option if you're gonna install them in your fog lights. It's pretty amazing to see that much light improvement by simply changing out the bulbs. You really don't need a housing and replace the entire thing with something LED unless you really like a sharp cutoff line or maybe something that's a little less bright than this. The Ultra 3 bulb is the best LED bulb on the market. It's got a lifetime warranty. And now I'm going to show you guys how to do the install. If you don't need that, go to headlightrevolution.com right now and get your set. It does not matter if you get the yellow version or the white version. both of them are gonna be very good. Yellow obviously does a little bit better when it's dusty or snowy or inclement weather. Your call there. No matter what you do, just go to headlightrevolution.com, get your set today. I'm gonna show you the install. Get down on the ground, reach up from behind the housing directly below it, and turn your bulb counterclockwise, pull it away and disconnect it from your OEM connection. It's an H11 bulb type, so grab your H11 Ultra 3 bulb, plug it into your OEM connection, grab your Ultra 3 bulb, put it inside the back side of the housing and clock it to the right. If you'd like, you can zip tie up the excess wiring, and that's all it takes to get it installed. Do the same thing on the other side and you're good to go. Now the last thing you want to do is install this and then just set it and forget it. You do need to make sure that it's aligned properly. Last thing we want is for it to sit like this. It needs to be like this, where the LEDs are shooting horizontally, not at an angle, not vertical, horizontal. And also remember that this cord down here needs to be aimed down. It needs to be adjusted and oriented like this down. If for whatever reason you get it installed and it's not, there is an included Allen key in the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 bulbs. Simply locate the little keyhole, which in this case is right here, and we're not removing this little screw. So thankfully you don't have to worry about a little screw falling on the floor and then losing it, and then your collar doesn't sit flush or sit solid. Once that's done, you could turn it ever so slightly, tighten it back down. You might have to try it a few times, so that way when you lock it in place, it sits just like this. The Ultra 3 is by far the brightest option if you wanted to replace those bulbs. If you want something a little more refined, I would go with getting a complete replacement housing that's LED. It doesn't cost that much more. We've tested a whole bunch that actually make a good improvement. Again, you don't want something that's super bright and glaring all over the place. The last thing you want to do is glare yourself and oncoming drivers when you're simply trying to see better at night. Go to headlightrevolution.com right now, type in that year, make, and model so you get the right products for your truck.